Spyware. Spy means, going into some enemy's place and trying to find out something. So spyware is the name, as we say that we have a spy. This is a program used to spy to the another computer system. So this program will try to get all the confidential and sensitive information because it is spying, like your bank account numbers, password. And this confidential data is misused to access the user's account. This spyware can also change the configuration of your computer without even asking for your consent. So there are a number of ways this spyware and these unwanted software can get into computer. The common trick, it will come along with some software. It will by itself install itself. Okay, or even if you download the music or video or some file sharing program, it may come. Once it is installed, spyware, because it is spying, it will spy or monitor the user internet activity. It may transfer the information to someone else who has created it. And spyware can also gather information about your email addresses, even your passwords and credit card numbers. So this spyware, it sends information back to your spyware's home base via some user internet connection. And it is also eating your internet bandwidth at the same time. The spyware, it may run in background and it will lead to system crashes also, and you're in unstable situation of your system. It will also eat up all the memory and the resources of your user computer. So spyware has one more ability, or monitoring your keystrokes, what you are typing in. So it can scan file on the hard drive, snoop other application like the chat programs and word processor, and it also install it has already installed itself. So it can install other spyware programs. It may read the cookies on the web browser, change the default home page on the web browser, right? So these are the things which comes with this spyware. While doing so, it will consistently relay the information back to the who has created the spyware, or he may either sell the information to some advertising or marketing purposes. Common spywares, for example, Cool Web Search, Internet Optimizer and Django were there.